Every process begins where nature decides the timing.
Harvesting demands patience before precision. Every step upward carries responsibility.
Weight is measured before the cut is made.
Separation marks the first transformation.
Control preserves what nature created.
Only the best move forward.
Traceability begins at the source.
Movement turns harvest into supply. The orchard releases its yield. Numbers guide the journey ahead. Data travels with the fruit. Order is established early.
Scale demands machines.
Harvest meets logistics. The field completes its role. The journey continues beyond the trees. Distance turns harvest into industry.
Every mile adds urgency.
Stability protects quality. Supply chains converge. Conditions are constantly measured.
Transit adapts to the elements.
Processing begins before arrival.
Identity defines destination.
Verification protects the system.
Every load is accounted for.
Access is granted.
Flow replaces travel.
Precision continues outside.
Alignment is critical. Movement pauses briefly.
Safety locks the moment.
The factory breathes in. Raw material meets the system.
Industry awakens before the first machine turns.
Transfer marks the handoff. Each movement is deliberate.
Timing synchronizes arrival.
Identity follows every unit.
Individual processing begins.
The line sets the pace.
Environment changes everything.
Control starts with people.
Clean hands protect the product.
Oversight begins immediately.
Consistency is engineered.
Selection shapes outcomes.
Cleaning prepares the surface. Force removes what travel lever behind. Texture demands attention. Efficiency extends beyond the product. Purity id et din down. Purity completes the wash. Size dictates processing flow. Uniformity simplifies precision. Standards stay firm. Preparation is complete. This is where structure changes. Readiness defines efficiency. Stability comes before incision. Division creates access. Natural fluids are managed. The interior defines the yield. What remains must be refined. Structure gives way to form. Value reveals itself. Hands still guide quality. Uniformity prepares transformation. Alignment sets the rhythm. Form becomes intentional. Spacing protects consistency.
Quality is confirmed again. The real transformation awaits.
Transformation begins by removing the air. The environment is rewritten. Lower pressure changes the rules. Heat is controlled, not rushed.
Frying begins without aggression.
Moisture escapes, structure remains. Consistency is engineered. Water leaves without violence.
Seconds to fine texture.
The window closes precisely. Structure is now locked in.
Nothing valuable is wasted. Balance is restored carefully. Balance is restored carefully.
Transformation is complete. Results are read instantly.
Stability follows transformation. Temperature is stabilized deliberately.
Heat is measured, not guessed.
Timing remains exact. Contact is eliminated. Eyes never blink. Corrections happen instantly.
Mass defines balance.
Distinction. Information guides motion. Flow corrects itself. Final calm charm is applied.
Surface balance matters.
Splint. Excess is gently removed.
Decisions are executed.
Humans remain accountable.
The product is ready for refinement.
Perfection is a process. Refinement begins at the edges.
Microns are monitored.
Support systems stay unseen but essential.
Evaluation precedes action.
Standards are enforced early. Drying prevents contamination. Details matter at scale.
Cleanliness is verified, not assumed.
Each size finds its path.
Nothing is wasted. Human judgment still matters.
Transformation is about to begin.
Texture is tuned, not forced.
Color signals completion.
Experience confirms data.
Flavor is layered lightly. Balance defines taste.
Time completes adhesion. Purity is protected.
Consistency is finalized.
All paths converge. Presentation approaches. Control continues forward. Proof comes next. Readiness is absolute.
Quality is verified, not assumed.
Randomness protects integrity. Eyes search for imperfection.
Moisture defines shelf life. Balance extends beyond taste.
Safety is non-negotiable.
Records complete the loop. Proof is preserved.
The final judge is human.
Release is authorized.
Oversight closes the check.
Approval unlocks progress.
Identity is preserved. Flow is regulated.
The final stage begin and presentation begins its journey.
The structure supports every slice.
Accuracy ensures consistency. Every seal locks in quality.
Information travels with the product.
Nothing leaves unchecked.
Organization maximizes efficiency.
Protection is built in.
Storage maintains order.
Environment preserves freshness. Movement reserves purpose.
Logistics completes the cycle.
Accountability leaves no gaps.
Every slice arrives in order.
Distribution begins its journey.
And this is how modern factories produce jackfruit slices from start to finish.
Every step is visible from above.